basic structure of state of Constitution envisaged in the Constitution provides trichotomy of powers amongst executive, legislature and judiciary. This separation of powers amongst the state organs is necessary for effective check and balances. The philosopher Montesquieu had postulated in the 18th century that uniting these powers could lead to authoritarianism. Next para. The All Judges Committee of Balochistan High Court noted, regrettably, that the grievance of the judges of the Islamabad High Court should have been resolved at the High Court level, either administratively or by resorting to contempt proceedings under Article 204 of the Constitution and under relevant provisions of the Contempt of Court Ordinance 2003. The legislature, in its wisdom, while framing the Constitution, has provided independent high courts in the country to exercise powers within their respective jurisdictions, and since high courts are not under supervisory or administrative control of Honorable Supreme Court, therefore such like issues should have been resolved by the respective high courts at their own level. The saying goes, perceptions are stronger than reality. Therefore, one negative impact of this whole episode upon the judicial system of the country is that it has to some extent shattered the trust of people of the country regarding independence of judiciary. It has created a false notion amongst the masses that judge of the High Court is not only vulnerable but helpless and hopeless as well. The slogan, "Justice for Mr. Justice," is ironical. Justice for Mr. Justice is ironical. Nevertheless, since the Honorable Supreme Court has initiated the suo motu proceedings, therefore this issue of illegal interference is required to be resolved once and for all, as injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere, and whatever affects one directly affects all indirectly. In the case of Justice Qazi Faiz Isa, the Honorable Supreme Court has observed, 58, para 58, history is witness to the fact that the fundamental rights, particularly of those who are the most vulnerable, becomes the first casualty in societies where the judiciary comprises those who were compromised and thus susceptible to being influenced from those wielding power and influence. The edifice of the judicial independence rests on the assumption that every judge, besides being fair and impartial, is fiercely independent and is free to uphold his judicial views. This judicial freedom is fundamental to the concept of the rule of law. Any attempt to muffle judicial independence or to stifle dissent shakes the foundation of a free and impartial judicial system, thus eroding public confidence on which the entire edifice of judicature stands. Public confidence is the most precious asset of this organ of the state, which controls neither the sword nor the purse. In view of the checkered constitution,
जस्टिस मंसूर अली शाह का है ना, ये
राइटिंग तो
जजमेंट दीजिए
साहब भी थे ना,
नहीं ये आपकी लग रही है
लैंग्वेज
आपकी है,
लैंग्वेज से आगे भी चले,
ये जजमेंट निकाल लें।
इन व्यू ऑफ द,
लेकिन आपने यह भी पढ़ा है अटॉर्नी जनरल साहब, वेरी ऑनेस्टली कैन यू आंसर, लोगों का पब्लिक कॉन्फिडेंस है इस इदारे में कि उनके फंडामेंटल राइट्स प्रोटेक्ट हो रहे हैं? The kind of executive ने जो कुछ किया है is known to everyone, and it's happening right. You see, the Supreme Court is responsible. Enforced disappearances हैं, लोग अब I don't want to go into
खत्म कर लेना, पढ़ तो लेना, ये पूरा पढ़।
PLD 2022 Supreme Court 119
नहीं आगे पढ़ने,
मैं उस जजमेंट की बात को बता रहा था, साइटेशन की, वो ढूंढ रहे हैं ना। In view of the checkered constitutional and judicial history of the country, which is...
Shwasa was wondering who's written such beautiful language.
No, I could tell by reading out the first sentence.
I didn't say that.
In checkered constitutional and judicial history... Paragraph 58.
ये learned Attorney General, since I've known my Lord for a long time, I told him that this is his language.
Sir, I could tell by reading the first sentence, sir.
No, it's Maqbool Baqir sir. That's
नहीं sir, ये कैसे हो सकता है? ये आपकी language.
You must give credit to where it belongs.
नहीं वो बिल्कुल दे देते हैं sir, mistake, but
because some of the lines were not. I thought that I
so
could
must have been authored jointly by the members of the bench.
अच्छा चले. Still want to give credit indirectly.
नहीं मकबूल साहब का था. चले आगे बढ़ते हैं. In view of the checkered
language is definitely that of my Lord.
We have other issues to settle. I think we should get into this.
In view of the checkered constitutional and judicial history of the country, which is marred with unconstitutional adventurism, the contents of letter written by the judges of Islamabad High Court cannot be ignored. It is high time that instead of shying away from harsh realities, the bull must be taken by the horns, and in this regard, the following landmark and historical judgments of Honorable Supreme Court do provide guiding lines. Chief Justice of Pakistan Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhry versus President of Pakistan, PLD 2010, Supreme Court 61. Justice Qazi Faiz Isa versus the President of Pakistan, PLD 2021, Supreme Court 1. Shaukat Aziz Siddiqui versus Federation of Pakistan. This constitutional petition number 76 of 2018. Whether there has to be institutional response to illegal interference in the judicial work of any judge, and what should be the mechanism, this question ultimately has to be addressed by the Honorable Supreme Court. But for ensuring the independence of the judiciary, judges must not be left vulnerable to the likes and dislikes of certain state agencies.
Now here is the important part.
My Lord.
Where they've said everything and yet they haven't said it.
My Lord. Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "In the end, we will not remember the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends."
कि इस मौके की मुनासिबत से
अगला भी पढ़ें।
समझ नहीं आई।
इसको जरा सिंक इन होने दें। अगला पढ़ता हूं। Of the judge of High Court can also be expressed through couplet of Akbar Allahabadi. हम आफ भी करते हैं तो हो जाते हैं बदनाम, वो कत्ल भी करते हैं तो चर्चा नहीं होता।
तो ये बाबर सत्तार साहब के साथ यही हो रहा। ये जो हम आप भी करते हैं, उन्होंने मामूली सी बात की, एक शिकायत की, आप लोगों ने पता नहीं क्या, और कुछ लोगों ने सोशल मीडिया में पता नहीं क्या क्या बना दिया, कोई फार एंड अगेंस्ट। ये पार्टी क्यों बनते हैं? बजाय इसके कि हमारी मदद करें, बजाय इसके कि हमें सजेशंस दें, पार्टीज, हम पूरी कौम दो पार्टियों में तकसीम हो गई है।
उसका तो मैं मतलब जो सारी चीज है उसका तो मैं प्रीवी हूँ अपनी पर्सनल कैपेसिटी में, और मुझे एक एक चीज का मालूम है, और मुझे ये मालूम है कि ये सब का सब गलत है।
नहीं सब
जो एक भी बात की, मैं वो फैक्ट्स की बात कर रहा हूँ।
आपको अर्लियर भी कहा था, 2.5 घंटे की मीटिंग थी जुडिशल अकेडमी, जुडिशल कमीशन की, जिसमें माय लॉर्ड भी थे चीफ जस्टिस। इसमें हर चीज जो भी जिसको प्रोपगेट कर रहे हैं, और जो भी आपकी स्टेट ने उनके डेटाज निकाले बच्चों के, दे ऑल वर डिस्कस्ड बिकॉज देयर वाज सच ग्रेट ऑपोजिशन। ये हर दफा कोई इंडिपेंडेंट जज होता है ना, उसके साथ ही होता है, regrettably.
Zara, now let's make something which may not be known. I'll want to provide you with the minutes of the Judicial Commission meeting that Justice Athar Milana Sahib has also mentioned. And सबसे पहले मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ना मेरे पास, ना मेरे ख्याल में हम में किसी के पास, ना इस कमरे में जितने मोतबिर वकला साहिबान हैं उनके पास कोई ऐसी जादू की छड़ी है जिससे आप इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी बना दें। ये एक सफ़र है, और इस पे हर शख्स क्या करता गया है और क्या कर सकता